Hey guys, welcome to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Instagram stories, right? So let's go into the Instagram and make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram, okay? And here we have to click on the profile ID, which is on bottom right side corner. And after that, we have to go to the three lines, which is on top right side corner, okay? So click over here, and here this drop down will come up, and here you have to go to the deleted messages. First of all, you have to go to your activity, okay, which is the third option. So click on this, and after that we have to go to deleted messages, okay, recently deleted, which is the second last one. So click on here, and after that you can see here all your deleted messages, right? So these are the posts which I have deleted, and the Instagram story, and this one is a reels, and this one is my Instagram stories, right? So all the three section deleted items will become here, and after that if you want to recover any of them, just click on it, and here you have to just click on the three lines which is on bottom right side corner, and after that click on restore, and it will get restored, okay? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, make sure to subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.